Welcome ladies and gentlemen to a journey through the art of communication. Today we are diving deep into 4 simple yet incredibly impactful words, that is speak, tell, say and talk. These words are the building blocks of human interaction, and mastering them can elevate your ability to express yourself, connect with others and convey your thoughts with clarity and precision. So, are you ready to transform the way you communicate? Well, let's clear speak first. When you speak, you give voice to your thoughts and emotions. It's the foundation of communication. Whether you are delivering a speech, expressing your feelings or simply sharing your ideas, speak is your trusty companion. Now comes tell. When you tell, you share information or a story with someone. Tell is a key to narrating your experiences, revealing secrets or passing on knowledge. It's the art of conveying specifics. Well, the other one is say. When you say, you utter words or phrases. Say is the bread and butter of everyday communication. It's how you express opinions, state facts or make declarations. It's concise and to the point. The next one is talk. Now finally, when you talk, you engage in a conversation. Talk is all about the exchange, the dialogues, the connection. It's where ideas collide, relationships are built and understandings blossoms. Now let's see the examples all together. When you speak at a conference, you inspire change. When you tell your children a bedtime story, you nurture their imagination. When you say someone, I love you, you touch someone's heart. And when you talk with friends over coffee, you forge bonds that last a lifetime. So there you have it, the power of speak, tell, say and talk. These words are not just letters on a page, they are the threads that weave the fabric of our social existence. By mastering them, you unlock the ability to inspire, connect and shape the world. Go forth and wield these words with purpose and passion, for they are your meaningful communication. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure. If you found this video enlightening, please like, share and subscribe for more insights into the art of expressions. Until next time, remember your words have the power to change the world. So choose them wisely and speak your truth.